Okay, so here we're considering the market for milk, and we've been told that the government has set a price floor that is above the competitive equilibrium price, and that the government does not purchase any surplus milk. So what we want to know is kind of what happens to this market after this price floor. Well, as you can see over here, originally the equilibrium was where the demand and supply curves crossed at Q1 and P1. After the price floor indicated by this red line PF, the quantity that's demanded has fallen so that only Q2 is demanded now at a higher price of P2. And what's happened to economic surplus since this kind of change has happened? Well, the entire kind of economic surplus is essentially the entire area that you see over here. It's a big triangle comprised of areas A, B, C, D, and E. So that was original economic surplus at the original competitive equilibrium. But now that the price floor has imposed and people only demand this amount, the kind of total consumer economic surplus has decreased from this entire area over here to just A plus B plus E, which is the area above the price floor um, and below the demand curve, as well as the area above the supply curve and below the price floor. And there's something that's else happened, which is C plus D. C plus D is no longer part of this economic surplus, and C plus D is represented as deadweight loss. And that's economic value that has been completely lost and is not being distributed to anybody. It's essentially a loss to the society and represents the inefficiency in allocating the resources we have, which in this case is milk.